Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание. Поехали на ярмарку. Часть вторая, страница 116-117. English, Starlight 3. Let's go to the fair. Homework, part number 2. Page number 116, 117. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 116, 116. Our school. Exercise number 1. Read and complete the sentences. Прочтите и завершите предложение. The answer: spring. Bees move to a new home. Summer. Bees fly from flower to flower. They make a lot of honey. Autumn. Bees get their home ready for winter. Winter. Bees eat their honey. It's cold. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Make a honey bee mobile. Сделайте пчелиный мобильный телефон. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 117, 117. Troll Tales. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the story. Послушайте и прочтите историю. Hooray! It's Saturday. Let's go to the fair. Look, there are some cakes over there. Great. Boo-hoo! No! One likes my cakes. Oh, hi, Frog. Do you like cakes? Yes, I do. They look tasty. Yummy. Haha, you look like a big strawberry now. Oh no, help. Now take rolls and read. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.